We're gonna try another game. Isa na namang laro sa aking kabataan. Nalalaro ko sa mga bidyuhan. So we're gonna play this. This is Fighting Masters for the Genesis, but actually I'll be playing the Japanese version. Bakit? Well, because I want to show the difference between the two games. Actually, the difference between the two games are actually quite simple. One, the names of the characters have been changed. I don't know why. If you want the comparison, just, you know, play the game and the US version, or B, you could just download the ROM either. Anyway, it's quite a small ROM. Anyway, at ang storya niya, but the biggest difference between the two is actually the story. The Japanese version, its story is actually, basically, it's an invasion. A Dark Lord is gonna dominate the galaxy, and a fighting master, basically the representative of those 12 characters, 12 planets, would be fighting him and defeat him. Dun sa US version, the story is a bit different. Ang storya doon is basically their whole galaxy is going to blow up, and supposedly the bad guys aren't really the bad guys anymore. They're just sila ano na lang daw. They're gonna save one of them. So they made the tournament to be, you know, so the winner becomes the race that survives, which is kind of weird. I prefer the Japanese version name. I prefer the Japanese version ng story niya. Mas cliche, but I just like it. Anyway, napagtripan ko lang siyang laruin kasi the last time ako nag-stream, I was trying out RoboCop, and I actually failed that. Tinamad na akong ituloy dahil hating gabi na. It's already midnight. I already wanted to sleep. And so, tinamad na ako. Tinatamad ulit ako kasi baka hindi ko na nung matapos. And since this game has unlimited continues, I'm sure that I'll never fail this one. That's a lame excuse, pero sige na, pagbigyan nyo na lang ako. I just wanted to like, try na lang, sige. Diba? At least sure ako hindi ako mag-game over dito kasi unlimited na continue, so okay, let's go back. This is the first character I played in this game, and I honestly think he is still the best. His moves aren't really the best, but he has 3 hit moves, 1, 2, 3. And his second move actually is almost sure shot gonna hit. It's almost gonna hit the wall wherever you hit him. And if you're gonna near the wall, use the second move, the forward C move. It's almost like a wrestling game rather than a fighting game, to be honest. You punch your opponents to stun them, and when you stun them, you could do a move that damages them a lot. So in my opinion, mas para siyang wrestling game rather na parang fighting game. Kasi technically wala naman siyang special move eh. Mas gusto ko pa laruin kaysa sa Beast Warrior ba yun? Yung wrestling game na monsters na ang hirap laruin? No. So for me, blah. May kaya warning dun sa ano ko. Sa stream software ko, like, may nakasulat na I can't read it. Maybe later na lang. Maybe it's causing the issues when I'm streaming. Some minor issues, but still noticeable. High encoding something. Tingnan ko na lang mamaya. Inom muna ng juice. Tama, pag wala sa wall, ay, umabot pa rin eh. 1, 2, 3. Pretty nasty damage. About 8 units of damage, I think. Oh. Kasi a lot of the other characters in here, medyo mababa yung damage output niya sa mga grabs. Sorry. Naka-disable pala yung chatroom. Malay mo, may maligaw na manood. Oh shit, that hurt. Actually, Dragon is also pretty good because he has the best standing attack. The stun move kasi siya yung may pinamalayong range. But, ang problema niya is yung yung throw moves niya, ang hihina talaga. Most of them, all of them are 2 hit and one of them is actually just 1 hit. I wonder, high encoding something. Oh, I think I know the reason. Let's try to close this. Hindi naman talaga nalabas yun eh. Ay! Layo eh. I'm on the other edge of the map, pero nagtutuhit pa rin siya. Nakakawal naman, 3 hit. Oh! Tuhit lang oh. Malayo sa wall eh. Itong larong to, naro ko to sa isang local na videohan dati. Double L again. Yeah, quite, may tendency akong piliin yung mga weird na game eh. Hindi porke Street Fighter, sikat. Narating ko na agad. Hindi ako ganun eh. Although, tatry ko lang, pag hindi ko talaga naman-trip ha. Oh. Oh, hey! Well, there's that other move, yung suplex, pero why would I use it? 1 hit lang, diba? I'd rather use the other 2 moves. Mas masakit eh. Pero yun, Larry, I like him, but, you know, one hit lang? Ah. Again, nga pala, my apologies on my microphone kasi sobrang hina niya talaga. I need to set my microphone's level really, really high. Kaso, kahit nga siguro paglago ko ngayon, dinig niyo eh. I hope you don't mind. Tanda ko nun, in the Philippines, remember when I was young, ang daming videohan. Kaya noon, kahit hindi ka mayaman or afford mo yung mga video game consoles, masaya kasi ano eh, you could play a lot of games as they get released kasi mura lang naman eh. Ang presyo niya, tanda ko pag Mega Drive or Genesis, 15 pesos. Sa current exchange rate, that's like 33 cents. I'm talking about dollars. So 33 cents. The NES was 10 pesos per hour. Sa atin, I think on US dollar that's something like 20 plus cents. Then typically mas mahal ang rental sa Super Nintendo kaysa sa Genesis. So, does that mean the Super Nintendo is superior? I don't know, but typically, mas mura kasi talaga ang Genesis eh. Yung console sa retail market, tanda ko ng time na yun. Tapos ang tanda ko, Genesis is, the Super Nintendo is as much as 20 pesos, which I think is about 36 cents or 38 per hour. Kung consider mo sa US, parang ang mura niya, no? But consider that, nung time na yon sa Philippines, the minimum wage is actually something like $2.5 per day, not even per hour. So, actually, mababa ang cost of living sa Philippines. Pero, syempre, dahil doon, gaming is not that practical na hobby kasi mahal kasi imported siya, di ba? Yan ang issue, yan ang opinion ko, ha? Oh, what the? Oh, tatalo pa yata ako, Hey! Ano ba? Hey! Yeah, again, there's also another issue within my stream. Actually, lahat naman may problema eh. Almost every part of my streaming has problems. Low upload, mababang upload rate, a very low upload rate, a poor quality, resolution kasi, mababa kasi ang quality. So, I'd rather, you know, lower the resolution as well. Ang same problem yun, again, yung camera. Actually, I'm not using a webcam. I'm actually using my Android phone as a webcam. I'm using Droid Cam, and I just increased the brightness 10 times, like, because it's, my room is pretty dark. Anyway, this is the final boss, Balgasu. If I could beat this guy without continuing, that I would be fucking lucky. This guy is cheap. He has like a 4-hit move. Oh! Oh! Natalo. Sakit kaya makagrab yan. Ayun o. Out. Ouch! Ouch! Ayun o, 3 hit. Whoa! I actually beat him in the first try. Swerte. That was fast. I mean, gano'n ba ako tagal nag-streaming? I think less than half an hour though. Battle is over. And the story on this version is again different. So yung ending medyo iba din. Ayun. But then, ang daming typo. I mean, 5 hitting faster and Unibreeze. Yeah, pretty bad. Ang pangit ng tira-sirang spelling. Rest until that fear rises up again? Come on, sabagay, usually totoo naman. I mean, if you're gonna be philosophical, di ba? Fighting only happens usually because of fear. Or superiority complex. I mean, Hitler did start a war just because he feels like Anglo-Saxon people should be superior above all else. So, okay? But then, masyado naman ako laro lang naman sa video game. Actually, plano ko rin mag-try ng streaming ng League of Legends, but problem, when I check my client, the last time I actually played League of Legends was 2 years ago. Ibig sabihin yung client, very, very outdated. So yeah, I'm re-downloading the whole client, and it's 4 gig. Could now fill a DVD. That's a lot. So yeah, it's not gonna be finished today. So perhaps tatry ko mag-streaming ng League of Legends tomorrow at least. Level normal. As far as I know, walang difference. Katanda ako natapos ko na ito ng hard eh. I think there might even be an expert difficulty or something, but wala ko naalalang difference or change dun sa ending. But perhaps there's a change on the stop roll. Anyway, this is Fighting Masters. I'll be playing another Genesis game right now. So I'll just be stopping this streaming and I'll be restreaming again in about 2 minutes. Just to separate the clips so I could export it to YouTube when needed. Okay? See ya guys!